am Horizont, links neben der Häuserwand.
Oh, ich mach mal. Can you...
In this morning we measured the air pollution of black carbon, ultrafine particles and nitrogen dioxide just opposite of the harbor, where 3 ships arrived in the morning, and we saw very high concentration of these pollutants. And of course many people living in this area, and mostly the wind blows from northwest, and therefore these people have a higher health risk. Scientifically proven that ultrafine particles, which particles smaller than 100 nanometer, are so small they penetrate deep in the lung, went through the lung wall, penetrate in the bloodstream and causing heart attacks, diabetes type 2, premature delivery, and very recently we know also dementia and Parkinson, which shows these ultrafine particles have a very, very high health impact. It's causing damage for the people, causing asthma, causing allergies, but not only for humans it's dangerous, but also for the nature. It causes acidification, it causes fertilization, and therefore also production of ozone. And this, of course, is bad for the plants and for the animals. The European Environment Agency calculated about 60,000 people every year die premature because of this pollution from the ships in the harbor cities. And of course, it's not only Valletta. All ships around the Mediterranean Sea have high level of pollutant, and Valletta makes no exemption because it's the same ships, and therefore we get the same problem. In the Baltic Sea and the North Sea we have sulfur control areas and also nitrogen dioxide control areas, but not in the south, not in the Mediterranean Sea. And I ask why? Why have not the same control of pollutants as we have in the north? We have seen it's very cost effective to do this, because the damage reduced is much higher in terms of economical value than the cost for better fuels.